Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Parakeet AI subscription step by step. First, log in to your Parakeet AI account using your email or Google account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon or email address. This will open your account settings page. Now in the account settings, look for the subscription option. Here you will be able to see your active plan, billing details, and renewal status. If you currently have an active subscription, it will be shown clearly on this page. Next to your plan, you will see the cancel subscription option. Click on it to continue the cancellation process. After clicking cancel, the system may ask you to confirm your decision. It might also show you details like what features you will lose after cancellation or the remaining time of your current plan. Read this information carefully before proceeding. Once you confirm, your subscription will be cancelled and you will no longer be charged for the next billing cycle. However, you may still have access to premium features until your current plan expires. So overall, canceling your Parakeet AI subscription is very simple if you follow these steps carefully, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.